We often face challenges while compiling and organizing data in Excel. It becomes even more difficult when the data is large, messy, and unstructured. In today's video, we will learn how to clean unorganized and messy data in Excel step by step. Let's start with our very first example. Our very first example is trim. With the help of trim, we will remove extra spaces from the names or text. On the left hand side, I have got my names, and all the names or just the maximum names has got extra space. Few names has got space in the beginning or in the end, and few has got in the center. When we come to right hand side, over here we can see raw text length. With extra space, text length is more than desired. Over here we can see 16. If I'll come to right hand side and over here I'll put proper name, let's see what text length we are going to get. Let me type the name, John Carter. Over here there's no extra space. Let's hit enter. With proper name, text length is 11, but with extra space it's 16. If the data is really vast, it's not possible to do the changes one by one. What can be done? Many of you might think to apply flash fill over here, means Control E. But in that case, our data will not be dynamic. Let's come to the very first name. I'll delete this. Formula will be plus or equal to trim, bracket open, text. This is my text. Now I'll close the bracket and will hit enter. And we got proper name over here without any space and text length is 11. Let's drag down the formula. Just notice the raw text length and clean text length. There's a huge difference. One thing to highlight over here. If I'll come to left and will delete all the names from here, we are not able to see cleaned name. So what can be done? I'll undo this. We'll select all cleaned name from here and we'll copy this. Control C or Command C. We'll click on top. We'll right click the mouse. Paste special. We'll come to right hand side and we'll select values. Now if I'll come to left and we'll delete all the names, we are able to see our clean names. Let's undo this. Let's move to next example. Our next example is clean. On the left hand side, I have got my raw text or raw name. Over here we have got raw text length. And just on the right hand side, I want cleaned text. Can we use trim over here? No, we can't use trim because on the left hand side, text has got line break. And in line break, trim doesn't work. So over here we will have to use clean. Let's insert the formula. Plus or equal to clean, bracket open, text. This is my text. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got proper name over here without line break. On the left hand side, raw text length is 12 and on the right hand side, we can see clean text length as 11. Let's drag down our formula. But in few places, we can see name is not proper. So what can be done? I'll double click on my formula, will come in the very beginning and will insert the criteria of trim. Trim, bracket open, will come to the end, will close the bracket and will hit enter. Let's drag down our formula and this time we got proper names without any challenges. So over here I have used clean along with trim. Let's move to next example. Our next example is case conversion. On the left hand side I have got raw names and in my raw names we have got mixed cases. Means somewhere it's in uppercase, somewhere in lowercase and so on. Let's come to right hand side. Over here I want all my names in uppercase. Let's apply the formula or function plus or equal to upper, bracket open, text. This is my text. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Let's drag down our formula and we got all the names in uppercase. Now let's come to lower, plus or equal to lower, bracket open, text. This is my text. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got all the names in lowercase. Let's drag down the formula. Let's come to third one, that is proper, plus or equal to proper, bracket open, text. We'll come to raw name and we'll click on my raw name. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got proper name over here. Let's drag down our formula. What will happen if I'll come to left hand side and we'll delete all the names? Delete. We are not able to see anything on right hand side. Let's undo this. So in this case, you will have to copy all the names, Control C or Command C, click on the very first cell, right click the mouse, paste special, values. Now if I'll delete names from left hand side, delete, We are able to see all the names. Let's undo this. Let's move to next example. Our next example is identify and delete duplicate records. In few places, we have got duplicate records such as John Carter, Mumbai. Over here also we have got John Carter, Mumbai. Mary Smith, Delhi. Over here also we have got Mary Smith from Delhi. So the very first target is to identify duplicate records. In serial numbers, there's no duplicate. So I'll select customer name and city from top to bottom. We'll go to Home tab. We'll come to right hand side, conditional formatting. We'll click on drop down, highlight sales rules. We'll come to right hand side and we'll come to the bottom. Over here we can see duplicate values. I'll click on duplicate values and we'll do OK. And all the duplicate records got highlighted in red. Now I'll come to serial number and we'll select my whole data. We'll go to data tab. We'll come to right hand side. We get the option of remove duplicates. I'll click over here. My list has headers. These are my headers. Then we can see serial number. I'll uncheck serial number. Customer name, city. I'll just do OK. Alert, 3 duplicate values found and removed. We will do OK and just notice. All the duplicate records got removed. Let's come to serial number. Let's select serial number 1 and 2 and let's drag this down. And serial numbers also got managed properly. Let's move to next example. Our next example is split text. Over here, we are going to split full name into first and last name. On the left hand side, we have got full names, and on the right hand side, we want first name and last name into different columns. Let's come to first name. Let's insert the formula. Plus or equal to text split. Bracket open, text. This is my text. Comma, column delimiter. To divide our text into different columns, what we want as a delimiter? We want space. So I'll put double quotes, space, double quotes close. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And over here we got first name and last name. Let's drag down our formula. And in every place we got the desired result. Let's move to next example. Our next example is combine names. And over here we are going to use TEXTJOIN. On the left hand side, I have got my first name and last name. And over here, I want full name. And just after that, I want full name in which last name should be in the beginning and first name should be in the end. Let's insert the formula plus or equal to TEXTJOIN. Bracket open, delimiter. Between my first name and last name, what I want as a delimiter? I want comma, full stop, or any other character. So I want space. I'll put double quotes, space, double quotes close, comma, ignore if empty. I'm going to select true, ignore empty cells, comma, text 1. First name is my text 1 and last name is text 2. In my scenario, both the names are together. So I'll select both at one go. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got full name over here. We'll drag this down. Now let's come over here. Over here, my last name should be in the very beginning. Formula will be plus or equal to, I'll click on last name and double quotes, space, double quotes close. And now I'll click on first name and we'll hit enter. Just notice, we got full name where last name is in the very beginning. We'll drag down my formula. Let's move to next example. Our next example is date value. In this example, we will see how to fix our dates if dates are entered as a text. Over here we have got all the dates and dates are in mixed format. On the right hand side, we want standardized date. For this, we will see two tricks. Let's come over here. Formula will be plus or equal to date value. Bracket open, date text. This is my date text. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Let's drag down our formula and just notice we got proper date format. Now let's see the second example of this. Plus or equal to text. Bracket open, value. In value, I'll click on mixed date format, comma, format text. I'll insert double quotes. I want my dates in DD, MM, YY format. DD is for date, MM is for month, and YY is for year. So I'll put DD dash MMM dash YYY, double quotes close, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. Let's drag down our formula, and we got the desired result over here. In fact, both the results are same. So now it's your choice. You want to apply which one. Let's move to next example. Remove special characters. On the left hand side, I have got my names, but inside my names, I have got special characters. And on the right hand side, I want clean text, means names without any special character. Let's come to the very first name. I'll copy this. Control C or Command C. We'll come to right hand side and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. I'll double click in the center and we'll delete @ and we'll give space. We'll come to the end. In the end, there's no space. I'll hit enter. Now I'll press Control E and just notice we got clean text over here without any special characters. With flash fill, our data will not be dynamic. Means if I'll do some changes over here, it will not be applied automatically on the right hand side. Let's move to next example. Our next example is delete blank cells. In my data, I have got blank rows and my target over here is to delete all the blank rows. If we come to serial number 2, there's no data. Again in serial number 4, 7, 9, 12 and 14, there's no data. So let's select the whole data from beginning to end. Now I'll press Ctrl G. Go to window will pop up. At the bottom, we can see special. I'll click over here. We have got many options. We have to come in the left hand side and we have to check blanks and we'll do OK. And all the blank cells got selected. Now we will press Ctrl minus. Small window will pop up. Delete. We have got 4 options over here. Shift cells left, shift cells up, entire row, entire column. In case you don't want to delete the rows and you want to take your data up, just select shift cells up. But in my case, I want to delete entire row. So I'll select entire row and we'll do OK. Just notice, all the blank rows got deleted. We'll come to serial number 1 and we'll drag this down. And we got the desired result. Let's move to next example. Our next example is manage data in different columns. In column C, we have got all the data where we have got country name, capital, currency and continent name. But on the right hand side, I want all the things in a proper way, means country name, capital, currency and continent. Let's come to country name. Over here, we have to insert cell reference of country name. When I'll click on country details, my country name is in C3. So over here, I'll insert C3. We'll come to right hand side, capital, it's in C4. So I'll do this C4. This is C5 and this is C6. Now let's come to second country details. Country name is in C7. So I'll click just under first country details and we'll type C7. Capital is in C8, currency C9 and continent is in C10. Enter. Now I'll select both the details, means details of both the country, and we'll drag it down. We'll leave this selected. We'll press Ctrl H. Window of find and replace got opened. Find what? Find C. Replace with is equal to C. Nothing more to do over here. Just click on replace all. Alert, all finished. We made 80 replacements. I'll do OK. And we'll close this. And we got all the country details over here. At the bottom, we have got unwanted zeros. In case you want to keep this, you can. Otherwise, just select all the zeros and delete them. And we got the desired result. Let's move to next and last example. And this will be our bonus tips. Shift data without copy and paste. This is my yearly sales report. In the very beginning, we have got sales data of February. January is in the center. After March, we should have April, but we have got May. So how to organize this data without doing copy and paste? I'll click on the header of January. We'll press Shift Control down arrow key. The whole data of January got selected. Now I'll press Shift and will come to the edge of January. Palm icon got visible. We have to keep on pressing Shift button and we will drag the data of January to left hand side. When I dragged my data to left, we can see dark line between serial number and February sales. Now I'll release my mouse as well as Shift button and my data got shifted without copy paste. January, this is Feb, this is March. Now over here we want sales of April. I'll click on header, we'll press Shift Control down arrow key. We'll press Shift button, we'll come to the edge and we'll drag our data just after March. Dark line got visible. Now I'll release my mouse as well as Shift button. Our data got shifted. In the same way, we can shift our data of July and can place just after June. So these were the few examples of data cleaning. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can.